Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Greek yogurt taste good. Start by selecting full-fat Greek yogurt and taste a spoonful to note its tang. Next, choose a sweetener or savory add-in based on whether you want dessert or snack. Layer flavors gradually and mix small amounts, tasting as you go. Keep cold and serve chilled to preserve texture and flavor. Enjoy experimenting with 1 to 3 mix-ins for balance. Start with a plain base and add a small drizzle of honey or maple syrup to sweeten gently. Mash ripe banana or fold-in berries for natural sugars and pleasant texture, and taste as you go. A splash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cinnamon brightens sweetness without adding refined sugar. Combine 2 elements only, then adjust until the balance feels right, aiming for a creamy, well-rounded snack. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long taste tests, and it fits in most cup holders. I find it handy when flipping between sweet and savory samples to reset the palate. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For a savory take, whisk in a little olive oil, lemon zest, and minced garlic to create a bright dip. Fold fresh herbs like dill, mint, or chives to add aromatic complexity without heaviness. Add toasted nuts, seeds, or roasted vegetables on top for contrasting crunch and depth. Serve with pita, crackers, or sliced veggies for an easy appetizer or protein-packed snack that feels gourmet yet simple to assemble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.